Another big story we are following tonight. Contra Costa County health officials are releasing new guidance when it comes to COVID-19 and youth sports and activities. Mask wearing, vaccinations, and testings are being encouraged as the county, like much of the Bay Area, is seeing an uptick in cases.
KRON 4's Dan Thorn talked with the county's health officer about the new recommendations, and he joins us live from Orinda tonight with more. Dan.
Well, Pam and Ken, this new guidance is for school and non-school based activities and youth sports. The county health officer says that the new safety recommendations essentially just build off of what the state is already recommending. And even though hospitalizations remain low for kids that get COVID-19, they want to keep it that way. And they also want to prevent this highly contagious Delta variant from being spread to others. Face coverings, testing, physical distancing, and getting vaccinated. All things we've gotten familiar with over the last year and a half. In Contra Costa County, health leaders are right now focusing on how those things relate to youth sports and activities.
It's really important because schools have started back up, and they've started back up at a time where in the midst of a surge that's worse than our surge last summer.
County Health Officer Dr. Chris Farnetano says masking is being strongly recommended for all participants, coaches, staff, volunteers, and spectators involved in outdoor sports, regardless of vaccination status. Masking is already required for indoor sports and activities, except those settings where a mask poses a safety issue, such as wrestling or swimming. And if possible, high-risk indoor activities, such as dancing, cheer, or choir, are being recommended to be moved outside.
We've seen, kids coming down with COVID. We've seen outbreaks associated with extracurricular activities, and we really want to do the most to minimize those.
Because kids under the age of 12 are not yet able to be vaccinated, health leaders say schools and youth organizations need to be especially aware of the risks. Those who are old enough are being told it's best to be fully vaccinated, and those who are not vaccinated are being told to get tested regularly or be limited from high-risk close contact sports such as football. As for preventing the spread of COVID-19 off of the field, the time spent in locker rooms should be limited, along with mask wearing on team buses, and if the team travels out of state, following CDC guidelines.
We're hoping if schools are all following these guidelines, if other private clubs and other non-school youth activities follow these guidelines, we'll be able to keep the cases down, and we'll be able to keep these activities going.
Well, the county health department says that this guidance is not a part of a legally binding health order. This is just simply expert advice that will help keep people safe from COVID-19. Reporting live in Orinda, Dan Thorn, KRON 4 News.